Get rid of whiteheads with this mask. Let's get started. 4 tablespoons of milk. Add a tablespoon of salt to the milk. Best part: mix time. When the milk becomes thick, it means it is ready to use. Apply the mask on your face using a cotton. Use the mask with gentle strokes. You can use it anywhere on your skin that you have whiteheads, but eventually twice a day. Great! After 15 minutes, wash your face with cold water. Let's see the result. When you use it, you will realize that your skin is very fresh, and it is very pleasant to touch the skin after using milk and salt mask. This channel is for your beauty. So subscribe to your channel. I suggest you watch this video. I will definitely read and respond to your comments. We are human with any race.